Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Investing with a Difference. So today we have great news. We have got an updated Greymass wallet. So this is going to be a full featured wallet for EOS, and we are very excited about this. As we have explained you previously, Greymass is something which we really believe in terms of the safety and the way they have designed this wallet. So first of all, let me just explain you. So what all you can do with this wallet, you can now, in this new feature, you can actually create multiple accounts. You can see all your history. They have added RAM buying and selling, which is a hot feature. Most importantly, they have enabled the proxy voting feature, which is something which a lot of people have been asking because they are not sure whom to vote for. And you can register yourself as a proxy if you want to. So we have already set up ourselves. We have shared our account name. So let us go back and look at what you need to do. So if you are on Windows, you have to look at this file, which is the exe file, win.eosvoter. And if you are on Mac, you are going to use the DMG file. And so we are using Mac, so we use this DMG file. And let us now look at the EOS voter tool itself. So this is how it will look like. So let me just bring it into the view. And what you need to do is you need to say https eos.greymass.com. So this is the server address, the API which you need to use to make sure you get the right data. This is a Greymass supported API. This is they are the block producer, and you can use other APIs, but we have tested this to work perfectly. Now you connect to the server and then you add your account name. So we are writing investing with a difference, our account name, and we are saying lookup account. Now this, at this moment, once they look up the account, you have to enter your private key. This is to make sure your wallet is set up with your credentials, and we believe all of you must have stored your private key safely somewhere. At this moment, if you want, you can get off the internet if you are worried about security of your PC. And we are just going to copy it from our notepad and paste it here, and you are going to see whether it's authorized or not, and your wallet is authorized, and you are going to now set up a password for your wallet. So if your key is wrong at this moment, you will get an error. So you need to make sure that your key is correct, and you have to use a private key. It is safe to use it on Greymass wallet because it's only going to store it locally. It is not going to send it over internet. And as I said, the best safety practice is if you can just disconnect from internet while you're entering your private key. Then you're setting up a password. Make sure it is difficult to guess, because even though the wallet is secure, if your PC gets in the hand of somebody who can guess your password, he can access your account. So you have to re-enter your password and you say save local wallet. Now the wallet is, your keys are encrypted and stored in your computer. Just like Exodus and any other PC-based wallets, it is as secure as Exodus. If you are comfortable with that, I think a lot of people have been using Exodus. This is very similar in the security perspective. Now it will make you accept the constitution of EOS. So this is one step. You say I accept, and now you can have this voting tool is the first page where you can actually select the BPs by just clicking on them, and you can submit your vote. So we have already voted, so it is already showing us as voted. In your case, if you're setting it up for first time, or if you have never voted, it will not show any of these, and you need to select and submit. The most important part, which a lot of people are asking, is how to set up voter proxy. You just go to set voter proxy and you set up our name, that is investing with a difference, and you confirm this is our account name, investing WAD. Investing WAD is our 12-character account name, and you say confirm. And then it will be set. For us, we cannot do that because this is the same account we are using to show you this demo. So it is saying that you cannot set proxy to yourself. So that's not a problem. You should be able to set us as proxy if you want to. Remember, you can set proxy to anybody you like because we are just helping because a lot of people are asking us. But anybody you trust, assign them as your proxy if you are not voting yourself. We still recommend everybody to go and research these block producers and vote yourself. Now the wallet features, this is the producer voting. Then you go to wallet. In the wallet section, you can change your updated stake token, how many tokens you want to stake versus unstaked. You can send and receive tokens by simply using account names. So that is the great thing about EOS. You don't need the public keys, the huge difficult names. You can simply say investing with a difference, investing WAD, and that's what we have created for ourselves. Similarly, for receiving tokens, it will show you your account name. If you're in your tokens are in your exchange like Binance, you can simply use your account name, copy it from here, and mostly you will remember it if you have created an easy to read name. But otherwise, whatever default name you have, you can just copy it and put it in the exchange to receive your tokens. Then buy and sell RAM is also very simple. You simply just select the amount of bytes. It will show you how many EOS it will take at the current rate, and that's how you buy and sell the RAM. Then in the tools, you can manage wallets and you can add any number of accounts. So you can import multiple accounts, and you can have like if you have more than one EOS account, you can create that. Key generator is a very important tool if you are trying to create new wallets. You definitely need to create a key pair for yourself. If you're asking anybody else to create a username for you, we have already told you the many ways how you can do that. But if you want to use a service, like a third party, you should generate your own keys. Never let them generate your keys. So this wallet is giving you a generate key feature. You can create a new key pair, and you can give only the public key to the third party. Remember this, very important. You should not give your keys to anybody else, the private keys I'm talking about. So private keys only go in when you're setting up the wallet, as we showed you, and they still remain secure. You have to keep them safely even after setting up the wallet, because anybody can replicate your wallet once they get hold of your private keys. So again, as I said, all these features are available in Greymass wallet now. It's a very easy to use, the easiest tool we have seen now. I'm really excited that all these new features have come up, especially the setting up proxy, buying, selling RAM. Again, we don't really recommend everybody to buy and sell RAM because you don't need it unless you're speculating on it, and it is very volatile, as we have talked in various different videos. And proc voting, I would still again recommend everybody to exercise your rights. This is very important. This is your responsibility to our community. As you know, many of these block producers in the top 21, they don't deserve to be there, and many who are not in top 21, they deserve to be in those top 21. I'm specifically against some of these big exchanges who are using their account holders tokens, and they're not assigning proxy. Bitfinex is at least asking for proxy. That's a good thing. They are not voting on their voters' behalf, their account holders' behalf, without asking them. But I think my biggest concern is this Huobi pool and ZB and many others which are in this top. I think we don't know who they are. EOS Cleaner, I don't know who they are. They are not even producing any blocks. They are just in the top 21, which is really not good, and we need to kick them out, and that's only possible if more and more people vote. So if you see here, this is all the vote. So if you don't want to use us as a proxy, we are not saying you have to use us. You have to use anybody else you trust. There are a lot of other proxy voter registered, and Aloha EOS is tracking them, and they show you whom they have voted for. So we are right now at number 49. So we have, and there are other people who, so if you click on us, you will see all about who we are voting for and so on. So all this information is publicly available. And we recommend, I think right now only 241 tokens have voted with us, but I think you can vote with us by choosing and setting proxy in the EOS voter wallet that is from the Greymass, and that is very simple. Just go to set voter proxy and do it. So again, guys, thanks for joining. I hope this wallet really resolves a lot of issues for many of you, and this is something which everybody should start using and get their tokens off the exchanges. Thanks once again, and have a great weekend. Please subscribe and like this video, and please share it with more and more people in EOS community so that they can use this amazing tool. Thank you. Bye bye.